All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 2500 high top, long wheelbase with only 10,000 miles. White with the black vinyl interior, power windows, power door locks, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper does have some scuffing there, as you can see. That's about it. It's missing your tow hook cover. Door hood looks good. Fender here looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread. Oof, they look good. Over 830 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn good. It's got a dent up here in this corner here. Boom. All right. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 830 seconds as well. All right. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does come with a one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details on that. Turn on this vehicle. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got your AM, FM stereo system right there. You got your AC controls right down below. All right, you got your cup holders even down further. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, except for tire pressure and your mileage of 10,351. Pretty much completes the tour. Let me turn on the lights. Keep it moving. Coming around is hood up there. We do have a dent there and another one on the door itself. The rest of it looks pretty good. All right. This door looks very nice. The paneling looks good. Normally, those panelings are effed up, but not on this one. And this one here looks pretty good. Does have a little piece of the panel there, busted. And of course, this is what your trunk space looks like, or cargo area looks like. Looks great, nice and white. Does have wheel moldings, look good. They're not all banged up, which is a typical thing with any one of these trucks. All right. Likewise here. Boom. All right. Here we do have a scuffing here in the corners. And a dent here on this. And some scuffing there. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And tire thread is just over 730 seconds. Let's double check that. That's not correct. Hold on. Just under 730 seconds, just a hairline. All right. Got a heavy scratch here. Boom. And let me get my ladder. I'll go right up here. All right, I got my trusty ladder here. Get a close-up look of this dent here. Boom. That's what it looks like. Boom. The roof itself, though, looks fantabulous. I don't see anything dents or anything else up there. Just this little bit here, and the door suffered a dent as well. All right. That's about it. Coming around. Boom. Boom. We look good. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. There's a guy inside there. I don't know what he's doing. There's your fender here. And here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread, which is at 530 seconds, it looks like. At 530 seconds. All right, looks good. Let me open this door. All right, let's check this door, this interior in the side compartment. Look how nice that bad boy looks. Very nice. All right. Coming around. That's about it. Lights are working. Top lights are working. This car looks fabulous. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 long wheelbase high top with 10,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.